problem with the intake? Well, it's not always what's said, it's how it's said. So during a recent Next Level Marketing session, we explored the emotional impact of intake calls. One of our members shared a valuable insight on how tone and energy are just as important as the script. So if you've ever trained an intake staff, you probably gave them a script. But tone, pace, warmth, and listening skills matter just as much as the words. Because intake isn't just an administrative step. It's the emotional first impression of your firm. People aren't calling you because they're having a great day. Now, they're stressed. They need help. And what they feel on that first call matters more than what they hear. So, instead of just auditing the script, listen for energy. Listen for empathy. Ask yourself, would you trust your business with that first impression?